How to use Chatgpt language tutor hidden trick. To use this feature, first of all, you have to give custom instruction to the Chatgpt itself. So go ahead and open the application itself. Tap on these two horizontal lines located on the top left. From there, tap on your profile icon to access this option within the personalization. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on this custom instruction option and type your prompt. Type in, "You are my Spanish tutor. In every conversation, always respond in Spanish first, followed by English translation in brackets. If I make a grammar or spelling mistake, correct me gently before continuing the conversation." And once you do so, all you have to do is tap on this OK option. And once you're done, the personalization will be set, and all you have to do is have a conversation with the ChatGPT by simply tapping on this option. And from here, you should be able to get your tutor for free. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.